Saint Dominic of Silos stands as a powerful witness to quiet reform, faithful leadership, and courageous charity within the Catholic Church. Born in northern Spain in the early 11th century, Dominic grew up in a humble farming family marked by strong Christian faith. From an early age, he showed a love for prayer, scripture, and a life of simplicity. Ordained as a priest, Dominic first served as a canon and later embraced the eremitical life. His holiness and discipline eventually led church authorities to appoint him abbot of the monastery of Silos, a community that had fallen into spiritual and material decline. The task was daunting, but Dominic accepted it with trust in God. As abbot, he undertook a patient and faithful reform rooted in the rule of Saint Benedict. He restored communal prayer, manual labor, and obedience, leading not through force but through example. His leadership was firm yet compassionate, drawing monks back to authentic monastic life. One of Saint Dominic's most remarkable works was his dedication to freeing Christian captives. During ongoing conflicts of the time, many believers were imprisoned. Dominic used the monastery's resources to ransom captives, even selling sacred vessels to restore human freedom. He believed that mercy and dignity were worth any sacrifice. Under his guidance, Silos became a spiritual beacon known for its liturgy, chant, hospitality, and care for the poor. Dominic remained humble throughout his life, avoiding honor and acclaim. He died peacefully at Silos, leaving a legacy of holiness and renewal. Miracles attributed to his intercession soon followed, especially for prisoners and families in distress. Saint Dominic of Silos teaches that authentic reform begins with holiness, that leadership flourishes through humility, and that charity is the heart of Christian witness.